Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines, and today I'm in Appliance Factory Thornton. This is our flagship location, and I'm standing in front of these amazing ranges. You know, you can learn more about these through Colorado's Best Kitchens magazine. This is something that Appliance Factory Fine Line sponsors, and it really is packed full of information if you're thinking about either a full remodel or even just replacing your appliances. What a wonderful resource to be able to gain ideas, and before you make the phone call or come into the store to shop, really have the juices flowing. So let's go through a few of the features of the magazine. These are available on Newsstands, and they're being shipped directly to home throughout Denver. Let's take a look. Colorado's Best Kitchens comes out twice a year. This is the spring edition. And if you take a look here, we've got every manufacturer that we work with. Oh, there I am. I always do a little special cooking. I talk about features of appliances. And this year I talked about the automatic chef features, and I teamed up with Yvette, who's a local food blogger, to come out with this wonderful recipe. So I hope you cook with me as well. But you can see we work with all the major manufacturers and designers. Here we have Monogram with the French door oven, a range top, beautiful island hood. And these are real kitchens. These are kitchens that people in the Denver area have created with their designers and our vendor partners, who's a lovely Viking kitchen. Here's an advertisement by Jen Eyre, their new Noir and Rise lines in black stainless. Those are gorgeous. Lots of ideas. Here we have a nice island with a pop-up power center, and really just design features, not just appliances, but also you can see countertops, flooring, cabinets, also fixtures like the sinks. It really gives you an idea of what's new and trendy. This is more of like that style where we have the white counters and the white tile, that subway tile, but it's been broken up with black stainless steel and some really nice kind of nickel finish here to kind of modernize that white on white on white look that is very popular right now. And look at this, it's broken up by this beautiful blue island. So really what we're seeing in 2020 is a trend towards more color, and also color in appliances. And then in the back here, these are some of these wonderful vendor partners that Appliance Factory Fine Lines works with, really to make your dream come true. So Colorado's Best Kitchens magazines, it's on Newsstands now. You might receive it in the mail. Take a look. Hopefully you'll learn a few things, and then swing by Appliance Factory to help update your kitchen. Our appliance experts are here to help. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Fine Lines. Thanks for tuning in. Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.